In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Sendwave referral link 2025 step by step. Let's get started from the very beginning. First, open the Sendwave app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet so everything loads correctly. If you haven't opened the app in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version to ensure the referral feature appears where expected. Once you're in, look toward the top corner for the menu icon or tap your profile picture. Depending on your device, the menu might look like 3 horizontal lines or a gear for settings. Both routes take you to the same general area where account options and promotions live, so choose whichever you see on your screen. Inside that menu, look for a section labeled Invite Friends or Refer a Friend. Apps sometimes change wording slightly, but the idea is the same. This is the part of Sendwave dedicated to referrals, and it's where you'll access your unique sharing tools. When you open that section, you'll see your personal referral link or a referral code displayed on screen. The link is designed to track that a new user signed up through you, while a code serves the same purpose if the app requires someone to enter it during sign-up. Take a moment to confirm it's your link or code, and note any on-screen details about how the promotion works. From here, you can share it directly. Tap Copy, Link, to place it on your clipboard, or tap Share to send it through apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, SMS, or email. If you're sharing by message, consider adding a quick note so your friend knows to sign up with your link and complete their first transfer to qualify. If you're given a code instead of a link, include the code in your message and mention where they'll enter it during sign-up. Finally, here's how the reward works. When your friend signs up using your link or code and sends money for the first time, both of you receive a cash bonus after that initial transfer is completed. Timing and amounts can vary by location and current promotions, and there may be eligibility rules or minimum transfer requirements, so it's worth glancing at any terms shown in the app. To keep everything smooth, ask your friend to finish their sign up on the same device and app session open from your link. That's it. Follow these steps, share your link confidently, and enjoy the bonus once your friend completes their first transfer.